Today we're out here repairing a roof that was damaged because the roof didn't have any attic ventilation. It caused a buildup of moisture in the attic space and ended up damaging the decking. The decking got wet and then couldn't dry out because there was no way to vent the attic space. Because of that, we've had to remove a bunch of not only rafters and replace them, but we've also had to remove and replace quite a few sheets of plywood. So right over here is an example of the plywood. You can see that it's really damaged. It's gotten really wet. And once I get done with this part of the project, we're going to install new underlayments, and then we're going to patch in the rest of the shingles, new starter shingles, and we're going to install ridge vents to help prevent this issue in the future. Since we had to do a lot of demolition on this job, we put down plywood on top of the wraparound deck, as well as in front of the sliding glass doors to protect the deck and the doors from damage. So if you need any help with your roof ventilation, or you think you have a roof repair or a roof problem, feel free to give us a shout. We're happy to come look at your roof, inspect your roof, and see if you need any upgrades to your roof. Give us a call and we'll be happy to come out.